Hello friends, my name is Parivesh Nagar and I put up in Kolkata, and by education I'm an MBA in marketing, and I had got to know about this forever opportunity and the forever products about 10 years from now. Actually, my grandfather was having a lot of health challenges, and somebody told us about the products, so I decided to try it on my grandfather, and we got amazing results. He was 84 back then, and he was almost on deathbed. And then right now he's 94 years of age, and he's absolutely fit and fine. He does everything on his own, and he does gardening in our backyard as well. He had a lot of health issues, as somebody of 84 you would understand would have. So basically, I'm not here to give you a boring lecture. I'm supposed to share my information with you that I've had since the last 10 years. There might be something that I would say would be of interest to you, and it might be benefiting you in some way or the other. But if you have your concentration elsewhere, then you might not be able to take the intrinsic value of the session that I'm going to share it with you right now. So basically, if you like what I say, you can say yes. If you don't like what I say, you can say no as well. And if you like it, then we can take it forward after the session is over. So I started off with Forever Living products about 10 years from now. I had no clue that I would be earning as much as I do right now, but I definitely knew that my life would be a bit better than what it is right now. I'm enjoying a good six-figure income right now, and life is good. I can do whatever I want to do, when I want to do, and the way I want to do. So I welcome you to this wonderful world of Forever Living products. And if you like something that I say, you can write it down, because you might be able to use it later on. So basically, we would be talking about the business opportunity plan presentation today. There are a lot of people who are confused because they don't know what is on in store for them in the time to come, in the next week, or maybe in the next month, maybe in the next year. They don't know what is going to happen to them. So a lot of people are tired of waiting for the right opportunity. They don't know where they are heading. So they're waiting to get a good opportunity so that they can prosper in life or do better than what they're doing right now. So today we'll be talking about one such opportunity, which is the name of the opportunity is Forever Living Products, and it's a great lifestyle opportunity. What does it mean? What does lifestyle opportunity mean? Because we have seen a lot of people who have money but they don't have time. We have seen a lot of people who have time but they don't have money. There are a lot of people who don't have either of them. But well, we are talking about those people who have one of these, but would want to have both of them at the same time. That is what we call a lifestyle opportunity, a great lifestyle opportunity, where you can enjoy your life with your family and with your loved ones. You can pursue your hobby and you can do whatever you want to, the way you want to. So if we take it forward, there are a lot of people who are looking for different alternatives because they've got bored of what they're doing and the way they are doing, because it's quite monotonous. Now, when we talk about a lot of reasons why people are looking for different alternatives, is uncertainty. We just about minutes ago, we talked about an uncertainty that people might have about not being sure about how the future might be shaping. Now, a lot of people have less clarity about their children's future, about how their retired life is going to be, how their medical expenses are going to be paid. And when we talk about health, you never know how health is going to shape up in the coming time. Like if you are healthy really right now, there's no guarantee that you would be healthy, let's say 1 year from now, or let's say 1 month from now. And when we talk about bank loans, a lot of people are living their life in installments. They're living their life, everything revolves around their installment of the bank loan that they have taken. So they are not being able to live a life of the way they want to, because they have a bank loan to pay. And I've seen a lot of people who park their cars or their motorbikes a bit far off from their place, because when the collection agent comes, they would say that it has been stolen or something. Well, pun intended. There are a lot of people who say that they want job security, but I think it's a paradox. Job and security both don't go together, and this pandemic has really proved it to us. There are a lot of people who are working as much as they used to, but they're getting half the salary. That means there's no security whatsoever. There are a lot of people who have already lost their jobs. And when we talk about variety, there's no variety whatsoever. If there is a chartered accountant, he would be doing the taxation things and the filing things and the accountancy things all his life. If I'm a doctor and what do I do when a patient comes to me? I say, okay, what has happened to you? Okay, open your mouth. Say, no, open. Okay, bring out your tongue. This is what he'll do his entire life. So basically, there's no variety. When he goes on doing it for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, he gets seriously bored, but he is at a no man's land. He cannot go back. He cannot change his profession. But there is something really nice about what I'm doing, because we get a lot of variety. I talk to a lot of people, which I really like, which you might know by now. Okay. So basically, we can become our own boss over here, because that is really important. In usual life, our boss is regulating everything that we do. The point of time that we are supposed to get into the office, the boss is deciding. When we need to go out of the office, the boss decides. When we would have lunch, what clothes we will wear, everything is decided by our boss. And they say people don't like their bosses. If they do, that's called an affair. That's not something that's very good. Now over here we can be our own bosses, and we can build our own business. Otherwise, the businesses run you. Like if I have a business, if I have a small shop, then, and if I have a family emergency, I'll have to shut the store down or the shop down and then go to attend the family emergency, because I cannot do both of the things at the same time. If I've got to attend a family function, I might not be able to go at all, just because I have this shop to run. So this shop is shaping my world. This shop is deciding whether I would be able to live my life in a healthy way. When I talk to a lot of people, they say we cannot have early dinner because we come home late from our shops. So basically, they are, everything is contingent upon their shop or their business or their work. So their health is not their priority. When I talk about it, there are 24 hours in a day, out of which about 9 to 10 hours or maybe 8 hours, somebody does a job. Now for 8 hours, that person sleeps. That means 16 hours are gone for all money. Now we are left with uh, around 8 hours, out of which 2 hours we need to commute, because where we work, we cannot take a place there, because that place is really costly. And the place we stay, we have to commute a lot. And it's about 2 hours of commute up and down from the office and to the office every day. So 2 hours are gone there. And then we need to do a lot of other stuff as well. We need to watch our social media. We need to wash our clothes. We need to, clean up ourselves and all that. We need to have food. So there's a lot of time that goes on over there. Now we have left, at the end of the day, we are left with only 2 to 3 hours. We were working for our children. We were working for our family, for our parents. But for them, we have only 2 3 hours. But for the thing that we are doing, the business or the job or the profession, basically, we are giving our entire life to it. And at the end of it all, what do we get? We get health issues, we get stress, we get anxiety, and that is what we get out of the work we do. But over here, we would be talking about one such opportunity which would drive away all the ill things from our life and give us all that we have ever wanted to have. Now, we are talking about an alternative opportunity. But before knowing that opportunity, we would want to discuss what has been happening. About 20 years ago, we used to run our family quite well for around 5,000 rupees. But right now, if we talk about 30 to 40,000 rupees is really difficult, because there are a lot of metropolitan cities in which 30 to 40,000 rupees we have to pay for rent. And in the coming 20 years, maybe we would need 6 to 8 times this money. Where would we get it from? Are we doing something so heavenly that we would be getting paid about 6 lakhs or maybe 8 lakhs or maybe 4 lakh from now? Come on, let's face reality. We are not doing something that would fetch us as much money. So we need a stepney. There are a lot of people who are going ahead of the times. They are way ahead of the run of the coming times, because they are earning 2 to 4 lakh or maybe 8 lakh or maybe 10 lakh with this opportunity, which I would be sharing with you in a moment, that how they are doing it. So basically, there are a lot of FBOs who are earning 8 lakhs a month. They have choppers. They have in multiple countries. They have villas. They have homes. They have whatnot. They have private islands. So basically, we would be talking about an opportunity in which You would get peace of mind. In usual life, we don't even talk about peace of mind. We talk about pieces of mind, but we don't talk about peace of mind. That's unheard of. In usual life, we don't do that. This business is all about excitement. Ever since I've started talking to you, I have been really excited, because it seems as if it was yesterday that I got to know about this opportunity, and it feels super exciting to be able to share to be able to share this opportunity with somebody. And we have quality of life and bright future. What does that mean? We can do what we want to, we can do when we want to, with whom we want to, we decide. So when we are deciding what we do, when we do, and with whom we do, we have quality of life and we have bright future, because we don't have to think about money when somebody calls us for an somebody invites us to an occasion. We have to think twice, because there is a limited budget that we have. We need to gift them something. So you can feel really good about having being invited, rather than thinking about the consequences of having to buy them a gift. So basically you have a bright future when you don't have to think about money, when you need to put your children to a nice school, and when you have got to give them a good upbringing, and have to give them a lot of toys or foreign vacations and all that. Because all the vacations that we used to have in our childhood was, we used to go to our grandmother's place, maternal grandmother's place, because staying and fooding was free over there. So we used to go there and spend quite a lot of time there. So I hope your coming generation won't have to do that. If you get to know about this business, and if you build it right, you get personal and financial freedom. When you go shopping, you don't have to look at the price list when you are supposed to buy the products. Most of the people, or if you take your wife for shopping, you don't have to see the price list. If you do this work part time, there's no risk whatsoever to your current occupation, business or job or whatsoever. And if you do it full time, there's unlimited potential, there's full training and support, and you get recognition for what you do. In corporate business, where I was working about 10 years ago, over there, when I used to do something good, somebody else was used to try to take the credit of the thing that I've done. But over here, when we do something good, we get the credit. Nobody else can take our credit from us. And over here, the most important thing, or the most nicest thing that I like, is I was not born with the conversation skills, or the interpersonal skill that I have right now. I never used to talk like this in my childhood. So this is something that helps you develop your personality as well. And there's another very, very attractive thing, that your spouse or your children would inherit this business, like the effort that you're putting in, the level to which that you take this business to, the coming generation, or your spouse would take the business from there on. They won't have to start from scratch. They won't have to start from zero. They will take this business where you have left off. So basically, in the traditional business, if we talk about, there's a manufacturer, there's a national distributor, regional distributor, wholesaler, retailer, advertisement, and then comes the turn of the consumer to consume the products. Now, this is the reason why a 30 rupees product is marketed it's taken by the consumer for around 100 rupees, because about 60 to 70 rupees is taken up by national distributor, regional distributor, area agent, middleman, wholesaler, retailer, and advertisement. These are the people who make the product that much more costlier, and the cost is being bore by the customer. Now, Forever challenges that. Forever says that there's no need of the middleman. You use the products yourself. If you like it, you share it with people, and if they like it too, if you are able to successfully recommend this product to some people, then you get whatever these middlemen were getting, whatever national distributor, regional distributor, wholesaler, retailer, advertisement, everybody was getting. You get that money. Slowly but surely you get that money. Now, how do we do that? Let's know about it. If we talk about the company, it was established in 1978. We have our operations in more than 160 countries. We have more than 1 crore people who have already done this business, who are doing this business really well. It is privately owned, there's no shareholder, and it has the same stable management since 1978. The asset undertaking is $1.5 billion. That's a lot of money, friends. You can calculate how much that money is. It is totally cash rich and debt free. And if we talk about, it is a part of two major fastest growing trends in India. That is network marketing, and the other is health and nutrition. Whatever we see around us has some kind of network or the other into it. If we talk about our mobile phones, let's say for example, if I'm using a Bharti Airtel phone, Bharti Mittal has not come to me and inserted the SIM inside my cell phone, has he? He has not done that. But he has a chain of employees, he has a chain of network of people who has helped me get it from a store, and I have inserted the SIM inside my mobile phone. So that is also a chain. If we talk about any religion, there's a chain too. There's a bishop, there is a maybe there's a pope, and then there are a lot of there's a uh, there is a lot of hierarchy in that as well. In let's say for example in corporate as well, there is a hierarchy, and in network marketing also there's a hierarchy, but this hierarchy has a win-win situation. Because if we talk about network or network marketing, the pipeline that is there, which the water supply that comes to our place is through a network, and the electricity that comes to our house is also through a network. So network in itself cannot be bad. The use of the network is bad or good. So we are using this network to everybody's benefit, and it is for good because it's a win-win situation. We are not depriving anybody of anything else. And when we talk about network marketing industry, this is one such industry where we don't have to put anything at risk. We have got nothing to lose but everything to gain. And when we talk about the networking industry or the distribution industry, and when we talk about the top 10 richest people on the planet right now, about 3 to 4 of them are into distribution, network and distribution. When we talk about Jeff Bezos, he's into network and distribution. That is what he does. And when we talk about there are a lot of people in the top 10 list who are into distribution business. That is, they network, they do the channelization of the products that they deal in or somebody else deals in. So this industry has been known to produce more millionaires than any other industry whatsoever. Now when we talk about the future of this industry is supposed to scale to around 65,000 crores by about 2025. And when we talk about the health and nutrition industry, everything that we see around us revolves around health these days, especially in the time of the pandemic. When we talk about a lot of TV commercials that we see in the television today, like there's a box that a lady sells. She says that she feeds her child with that thing because her kid would get taller, stronger, and sharper. I don't know how that happens, but that is also coming into the category of health and nutrition. If you have health and nutrition is basically a $3.4 trillion industry. If you have already missed out on the .com revolution, and if you have missed out on the PC boom, you cannot afford to miss out on this one. Trust me. Now, when we talk about the next thing, basically, we would want to help more and more people. What is this network marketing all about? We have a sharing tendency. When we see a good WhatsApp message, we share it. When we see a good Facebook message, what do we do? We share it. Now, when we are sharing those messages, sharing is something that we have in our genes. Sharing is something which is in our inherent nature. Now, when we do this sharing about a movie or a doctor or a shop, that shopkeeper or that cinema hall owner or that doctor or that store owner does not remunerate us for our referral, for our recommendation. But this is one such system in which if we recommend something and if it is a successful recommendation, we are rewarded for that successful recommendation. And this is how the system works. Now, when we talk about the network marketing industry, Mr. Bill Gates, who is the world's richest person, he says, if I would be given a chance to start all over again, I would choose network marketing. Now we have to choose whether we would want to listen to those intellectuals who are all around us, or we would want to listen to the richest person on the planet. When we talk about several prime ministers and president of several developed countries, they say network marketing has had a tremendous contribution in the prosperity of our economy. Now, developed economies are developed economies because there is network marketing in them. because there's no unemployment over there, because they have network marketing. They don't look down upon network marketing as we Indians might be doing. And if we talk about the current US president, Mr. Donald Trump, he owns a network marketing company. I could not say this on the company platform, but I'm doing this in this video. So basically, Mr. Tony Blair has really told good things about network marketing. So has the US President Bill Clinton. So has the presidents who have followed him. And as we know, Mr. Donald Trump owns a network marketing company. So obviously, he wouldn't have owned a network marketing company had he thought it would be something really bad. So this is a video that we might not be able to, cover today. There's a very good video. You can go on YouTube and check about this. The health and nutrition industry, it's a very big industry. Overall, it's a $192.2 billion industry. It was in sales in the year 2018. And when we talk about the personal care industry, it was around $630 billion industry. That we are talking about 2018, right? So that's far off. Right now, it's much bigger than that. But when we talk about being at the right place at the right time with network marketing, what do we mean by that? Basically, if we opt for a franchise business, if we take a franchise of Big Bazaar or D-Mart or Spencer or Mega Mart or something similar, or maybe Hindustan Petroleum, or maybe something similar, we have a starting cost in crores, we have a running cost in lakhs, training cost is in lakhs. We have to pay for premises, we have to pay for staff, inventory, legal requirements. Working 24/7, we need to work round the clock, and only then there's a bleak chance of us getting some money. But in FLP marketing plan, we have this only minimum order requirement. And why is that? Because the company says, unless and until you use this product, you don't share it with somebody, because you don't know what this product is all about until and unless you have used it yourself. That is why there's a minimum order requirement, and then there's cost of literature. Training is free, premises is free, staff is, we don't have to pay for any staff or an inventory. We just need to take care of our personal accounts, which we would have had to do anyways. So we don't need to work 24/7 over here, but we have a very good chance of becoming a millionaire or a multimillionaire or multi-billionaire over here. Why? Because we have not put anything at risk. We have not invested any money. We have everything to win and nothing to lose. So basically, in Forever Living products, there is no risk. There's no 24/7 time and effort requirement. You don't need to put in crores of money. It's unlike other businesses. It does not run you, because you are your own master. You are your own boss. You decide when you have to work. In other businesses, it is not so. And you get a lot of time to enjoy with your family, to pursue your hobby and something that makes you really happy. You can do all those things. You can travel more. You can spend time with your wife. She won't crib anymore. I'm joking. Or maybe it's the other way around. If you are a wife, you can spend more time with your family, and you can be free. You can be independent. That was a joke. Okay, don't take me seriously. So this is one such business in which you have to be really healthy, and only then you can be wealthy. Because this is a business in which you need to take care of your health first. If you're taking care of your health first, and if you're telling people to take care of their health, you will be healthy come what may. So you get blessings too, because when you give the products to somebody and then they get benefited, they give you a lot of blessings. So basically, this is what it is all about. We learn while we earn. We invest our time and not our money. The trainings are for free, and we can help others succeed, which will in turn build our self-confidence, build our self-image, and we'll feel very good about what we are doing. And you can dream as big as you want to. Everything can come true if you really know what you're into. Over here, we get an ethical, sound business. We get freedom to choose the level of income that we want to achieve, where we want to work, with whom we want to work, in over 160 countries where we want to work. We have financial independence. We have financial abundance. We have quality of life, unique lifestyle, which we talked about earlier. We can, you can spend your time with your children. How special is that? You can see them grow, because there are a lot of people who are not being able to give their children the right upbringing, because they don't even have the time to do that, because their children are in bad company, or though they are doing drugs, and they're not doing their homework, or they're not performing at the school level, or they have a low self-image, or they're being bullied. They don't have time at all to know what is going on in their child's life. So over here we have quality of life and unique lifestyle, so that we can take care of our children in the right way, we can take care of our life, we can take care of our parents in the right way, and we can get the right pension plan. Like, this is a pension plan where your effort is your installment. In the life insurance policy, you put in money and then you get a return, and over here you put in your effort and you get a pension. That is what you do. Over here you can choose what your pension might be, and over here whenever you finish sleeping, you can get up and join us, and we'll help you build this business. This is something where you don't have to put in your money, you have to put in your time and seriousness. How do we do that? If a person basically deposits, let's say 20 lakh rupees at 10%, he'll get 16k, a little over 16k per month, that is. And if somebody deposits 2 crore rupees at 10% per annum, he would get 1,66,000 rupees per month. But we don't have that kind of money. What do we do? If we don't have that kind of money, we have 24 hours. Everybody has equal amount of hours. And if we work 8 hours a day for 5 days a week and about 50 weeks per year, we would have 2,000 hours of work in 1 year. And if we catch this job in the age of 20 and we retire at the age of 60, we have 40 years of work. So we multiply 20, if we multiply 2,000 with around 40 years, we get around 80,000 hours of work in 1 year, in one life, that is. Now when we talk about a multinational company or a big company, they employ 10,000 people, and those 10,000 people work 8 hours each every day, and that company gets 8,000 or let's say 80,000 hours of work every single day. That is the reason why we cannot match the income of a multinational company, because what they earn in a day, we earn in an entire life. So the summation or the moral of the story is, if we can increase our time, we can get a lot of money. But how do we increase our time? We are single-handedly, we only have 24 hours. If we need to increase our time, what do we need to do? We would talk about it, but let us first consider this as well. If somebody earns around 300 hours, 300 rupees per hour, then his income would be 50,000 rupees per month. And if he works for 80,000 hours, he'll get 2.4 crore rupees, and in an entire life. Now, when we talk about a multinational company, they earn about 2.4 crore rupees every single day. That means akela chana bhand nahi fodta is what they call it in Hindi. Nobody can do anything single-handedly. United we stand and divided we fall is what they say. Now, how do we form that team? How do we bring people together? How can we break the barrier of those 24 hours? We can do that by accumulating or making a team of like-minded people. Now, what kind of like-minded people am I talking about? Those people who are not satisfied with the financial compensation that they're getting out of their job or their business or their profession. They can come and join this business. They can do it part-time, and without disturbing what they're really doing as their primary source of income. They can do this. If you are willing to help people get out of their miseries, you can do this business. How do we do that? When we help two people reach their goals, and they do the same, and then they do the same, we get to around 30 people. And when they work 1 hour each, we get 30 hours of work summated. And when we get 30 hours of work summated, we get remuneration according to the 30 hour of work that we have cumulatively compiled or cumulatively done. And in turn, when we help 3 people, what happens is we get to 120 people. So we get 120 hours of work. When we help 5 people and they do the same, and they do the same, and then they do the same. It sounds very simple, but it is not that simple, because most people do it for their own benefit. They don't have a helping attitude. But over here we have a helping attitude. That is the very reason I have been able to build a team of around 11,000 people. That is right. I have built a team of around 11,000 people in the last 10 years. And I have been able to do that because I have a helping nature. I can help you too. When whoever has called you to this session, whoever has forwarded this session to you or this link to you, you can contact that person and you can know each and every detail about this marketing plan from him, or how this company works, what is the background, what are the products like, what are the samples like. So this is how you have to break that 24-hour barrier. If you don't do that, you will stay where you are. And if you do that, you have everything to gain but nothing to lose. Now, we have the best state of the art animal care products, personal care, weight management, skin and beauty care, and health and nutrition. We are best among these products in the market. And when we talk about the flagship product, we are a health and nutritional company, which is the world largest producer in aloe vera and the beehive. And we have already captured 85% of the world aloe vera market and 80% of the beehive market in terms on the basis of our quality. We control the market on the basis of our quality. We are not one of the largest company. We are the largest company. Basically, if we talk about aloe vera is a plant that looks like a cactus. It has several names like Kumari, Korfad, Khikwar, Kwar Gandal, Gwar Pathak, and there are several names. It has been used in all the ancient civilization. It has more than 400 varieties, because we see roses there have a lot of varieties. Rice, it has a lot of varieties. Mangoes, it has a lot of varieties. Similarly, aloe vera has a lot of varieties, out of which Aloe barbadensis miller is the best. We would talk about it. It is a natural, safe herbal plant which has been used since thousands of years. It can be applied tropically and it can be taken internally as well. We have a unique patented stabilization process, which and we use the mature leaves of Aloe barbadensis miller only. We pluck the mature leaf only, and the new leaves are resurrected very safely, so that it does not the cutting process is is so safe that the new leaves don't get any harm. Now, an independent test shows that the aloe vera that you have in the leaf is quite similar to the aloe vera that we have in our bottle, in this aloe vera gel. So it has no difference whatsoever. A fresh leaf and an aloe vera gel of Forever Living products has stark similarities. It is 100% the same. And when we talk about this product, it has no pesticides, herbicides, artificial coloring or flavoring. It has only 100% aloe vera, stabilized aloe vera as its principal ingredient, and we have no third party involved. And when you consider your body to be precious, you have got to put in something that is really precious. Now, when we see all these quadrants, in the first quadrant, we see that our body is getting cleansed through aloe vera. These green particles are going in and they are removing the black toxin from our system. And in the second quadrant, from the bottom left quadrant, we can see that these black toxins are coming in, clogging our intestines, they're clogging our belly, and that is the reason we don't feel that hungry as we used to do in the childhood. Our body was smaller in the childhood. We were this big, but we used to feel hungrier. But when our bodies have grown, we are grown elder. Now our hunger has shrunk. Why? Because of this toxin. Now, when we talk about the third slide, we can see how the body absorbs the food that we eat, the nutrition that the body absorbs through the food that we eat. Now, when we talk about our products, they are amazing products. We are talking about aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is a fantastic product, which does a lot of things. It does the cleaning, it does the servicing, it does a lot of other. We have a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, and no company comes even closer to the kind of manufacturing facility that we have got. All the ingredients that are amalgamated together individually go through several tests. There are more than 333 tests that are done for individual ingredient and the product before and after it is completely made. So our products are fingerprint products, and they are unparalleled products. They are amazing products. And if we talk about our manufacturing facilities, hundreds of bottles get packed in 1 minute, thousands of bottles get packed in an hour, and we have more than 6,000 boat containers through which we ship our products to several different countries throughout the world. And we have a lot of certification which we have to renew each year, out of which there is International Aloe Science Council, Leaping Bunny Animal Care, M Halal Seal, Kosher Rating, ISO certification. We have a lot of other certificates as well. And when we talk about the company's history, we started off in 1978, 13th May, and in 1979, we had 9 million of turnover. And as the time went on, we always went on increasing the turnover. In the time of recession also, our turnover has always increased. Right now, the turnover of the company is $3.8 billion. That is a lot of money. And when we talk about the Indian history, we had started off in 2000, and we had clocked a turnover of around 7 crores in 2003. we quadrupled, or let's say we multiplied it with 5, or maybe a little more than that, 5, 6, 7, yeah, about we multiplied it with 7. In the next 3 years, we got a turnover of around 46 crores. And right now we are over 500 crores in turnover in India. And we are the second in terms of highest number of turnover among the FLP countries. India is the second largest. And when we talk about India, we have 19 offices. Wherever you are in India, no matter where you are, you would have an office in about, let's say, from 100 to 500 kilometers of radius. You would have either one office or the other, or maybe you would have two. So when we talk about, there are a lot of forever resorts. We have 70 resorts all throughout the world, which turnover of which we do not include in our Forever Nutraceuticals or the Forever Nutrition company. There are two ways of doing this business. One is slow track and one is fast track. The slow track is when you want to try the products first, get the benefits, and only then you would want to recommend the products. Over here, when you become a preferred customer, you get to try the products, and you get a discount of 15%. You get free seminars and trainings. You get complete support. You get hand holding. You get complete mentorship completely free. And then you get no purchase obligation. You don't have any compulsion to buy anything. And once you want to get into the fast track, you can do this 2cc in one shot. What is this 2cc? 2cc is 2000 points. And what this 2000 points means, you need to buy around 30,000 products in any 2 consecutive months, or you can do in one shot as well. Because until and unless you, what is this business all about? Let me tell you. When you use the products, you get a good experience, and you put that experience as a capital, and with that capital, this business runs. So the more the faith you have in products, the better the business would be. So you try most of the products yourself. Whichever products you are buying at home, you're using at home, if FLP manufactures that product, you replace that product with an FLP product. Try it for 90 to 100 days and see how it goes. If you still feel like using that product back again, which you used to do 100 days back, then you are free to do that. But if you love the quality, if you love the opportunity, then you can build this business, and you would be able to use the products for free in the 6 months to come. So you can start off as a business partner. You can do those 2cc 30,000 business in one shot, and you would be able to do this very, very easily. We have our amazing business which offers 43% retail profit. And when we talk about the marketing plan, every position is permanent. We get 2 consecutive months in order to do any promotion that we want to do. At a preferred customer, uh, we sign up as a preferred customer. When we do 2cc, which is 2000 points, in any 2 consecutive months, we get to assistant supervisor. When we do 25cc, in any two months combined, any 2 consecutive months, we become supervisor. When we do 75cc in 2 consecutive months, we become assistant manager. When we do 120cc, in any 2 consecutive months, we become a manager. We can also become a manager after accumulating 150cc in 4 consecutive months. We can also do that. Now, what happens when we become a preferred customer? We get a 15% discount on BRP. And after we cross that threshold of preferred customer, we become an assistant supervisor and beyond. We get a discount of around 30%. And from then on, you get a discount of 30%. And then what happens? We get a personal discount. We get a personal bonus of 5%, 8%, 13%, and 18% respectively on assistant supervisor, assistant manager, and manager level. Now, what does that mean? The bonus that we are getting out of our own purchase is our personal bonus. Personal purchase, personal bonus. Now, what else do we get? When our network starts to grow, we start earning a passive income. Remember, when we are a supervisor and we have an assistant supervisor working with us, that supervisor does the work. That supervisor, takes something for himself, or maybe gives it to somebody else. We earn 3% from whatever turnover he or she does, basically. And when we become an assistant manager, likewise, we get 5% from the turnover of our supervisor, 8% from our directly sponsored assistant supervisor. When we become a manager, we get 5% from our assistant manager, 10% from our supervisor, and 13% from our assistant supervisor. If you want to know details about this marketing plan and the compensation plan, you can sit with somebody who has forwarded you this presentation, and you could know about the marketing plan in discrete details. You can attend a marketing plan training as well, which you would find in my channel as well. I would try to translate it into English so that you can understand very well, because most of the people have challenges in regional languages. I would do it in Bengali as well, so you need not worry. When you do this business part time, you can earn 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, anything that you want to. Uh, the stronger the base, the better the what do you call it? The skyscraper. The longer the skyscraper. So there are a lot of profits that you can make out of this business, which is retail profit, discounts, personal bonus, team bonus, leadership bonus, gem bonus, earned incentive program, which is also called the car plan. It is alias of the car plan. International and domestic trips. You can go out for two international trips and one domestic trip for completely free of cost. You can do that, and you get chairman's bonus as well. If you do really well, the company gives you a share of its own profit, which is the chairman's bonus. Now, if you want to work for full time, you can do anything you want to. There are no limits to what you can achieve. When we talk about the car plan, it's not, it's just called a car plan. You can buy jewelry from it, you can buy a house, you can buy a villa, you can buy chopper, you can keep it as a saving for your for your daughter's marriage or for your sister's wedding. You can do everything that you want to. In level 1 you get 26,000 rupees. In level 2 you get 39,000. In level 3 you get 50,000, 52,000 rupees. Now that is a petty amount. In that a car won't come, but we give that to you for 36 months straight on a continuous basis, which amounts to more than like 9 lakh rupees in level 1, more than 14 lakh rupees in level 2, and more than 18 lakh rupees in level 3. There are more than 1100 car plan achievers till date in India. Now when we talk about the domestic travel, these are the names of the places we have where company has taken us in the past 20 years, and it is counting. We have been taken to several places, and we would be taken to a lot of other places in the time to come. So you can come and join us for free of cost, and maybe you are the next. You would be able to travel for free on the company's expense. The company has been taking to international trips, including all these places that you can read over here. On The company has taken to all the 7 continents. There is no place where the company has not taken till date, and the company is innovating to a lot of different levels so that they can take us to places that we have never ever gone to. So in the last 20 years, we have traveled to each and every place with this business free of cost. You can do that too with your spouse, with your children. You can do that very easily when you join this business. This is a video of that, which we might not be able to show you because the video will be really long. You can get to Eagle Manager and you get another international trip, which is the second international trip that we have over here. And this is the chairman's bonus. This is the profit that the company shares in case you do really well. This is Mr. Surya Sinha, who got more than 4 crore rupees. This is Mr. Sunil Gupta, who got 1 crore 79 lakh plus. This is Mr. Prem Rajan sir, who got 1 crore 20 lakh plus. This is another gentleman who got around 57 lakh rupees for his work that he has done really well. Now, when we talk about the chairman's bonus check, the company till 2009 has already distributed 66 crore rupees among its distributors. Just imagine. Now, when we talk about India, India is number 2 currently in terms of world turnover in terms of FLP. As far as Forever company is concerned, we have more than around 3,000 millionaires we have made with this company. So you can be the next one if you want really good. If you want this to be your profit sharing check, if you want this to be your chairman's bonus check, you can join us. We will teach you, we'll coach you, we'll guide you for free, because when you will get ahead in this business, we would get a share of our benefit from your benefit. Your benefit is basically our benefit, and your loss is our loss. So when you join us, we have a win-win situation. We'll teach you, we'll coach you, and we'll go hand in hand, and we'll achieve everything that we have ever wanted to. Now, I have taken away this opportunity from you that you have never had an opportunity. Now you can never say that I've never had an opportunity, because I've shared a wonderful opportunity with you in which you have everything to win but nothing to lose. In this business, what we do is we share our stories. We become a Novus customer, we become a preferred customer, we use the products, we share the products, we tell our story, and this is how we do it. If you want to know more about the company, you can attend the FBO training. Join us, and you can have everything that you have ever wanted to have. We are not we'll not go after your lives to join us. But if you have really big dreams, and if you really want your children to have a secure future, if you want to really live a healthy and secure life, you should definitely come and join us, and it'll be amazing if you do. So I would be signing off by saying this. You can subscribe to the channel, and you can, join us spreading the beauty of this channel, because we are doing something really nice, spreading the FLP knowledge. We'll talk about all the products, that what the product does with demonstration. We'll bring each and every knowledge to you with this channel itself. So by saying this, I would be signing off. I hope you like it. In case you have a question or a suggestion, you can drop it down in the comment box. Thank you.